kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video series on Android app development. And so guys, in this video series I will be teaching you on how to use Firebase in your Android projects using Kotlin programming language. Okay guys, so this project series will have a lot of parts, and I have divided the parts into different sections. Okay, so in this first part of the series I will teach you how to integrate the Firebase, and we will see the different dependencies of Firebase, and then after that we will talk about the Firebase authentication using the email and the password. And after that we will talk about how to register the user using Firebase auth. And after that we will cover the Firebase real-time database, and after that we will also see how to add the data or how to insert the data. Then we will see how to display the inserted data in our Android application. And after that we will check that for the database query also. Okay, like here we will be able, I will teach you how to search data in Firebase. Okay, and after that we will talk about the Firebase storage. We will try to upload some images and files to the Firebase, and after that I will also show you how to retrieve the images or files from the Firebase storage. Okay, so I hope you will understand a lot of things, and I hope that you will enjoy this video series. Okay guys, so let's get started. So here, as you guys can see, that I already have created the project. Here it is the Kotlin project. Okay, and in order to integrate the Firebase, so here what we need to do is, here we need to add this project. So first of all you need to go to your Firebase console, and after here you need to add the project. And here I name my project as Kotlin Firebase. Okay, and I click here on, I accept the controller terms conditions, and I click on create project. In the meanwhile, let me copy the package name because we will be requiring it later. So I just have copied the package name, and I click on continue. And here you can see that I get started by adding Firebase to your app. So here I will click on Android screen, and here I will paste my package name, and then I will click on register app. Okay, and here it is saying to download the Google services.json file. So here I click on this, and here I have downloaded this. So I just copy that, and I go to my Android, and from here I select the project view, and inside that app directory I just paste the Google services.json. And after that I switch it back to Android, and then we go back here and I click on next. And here it is saying to copy this class path and add it. So I have just uh, copied it, and I will add it to my build.gradle. And here, so after that we need to copy this dependency and add it to our build.gradle. And here I have copied it, and after that we can copy that and paste it below here. All right, and okay, so now let's click on next, and here we need to click on sync now. So now the Firebase will be successfully integrated to our project, and in the meanwhile here we will have this app ready to use here. All right, And after that, you can see there is authentication, then there is database and storage. So first of all, click on authentication, and here we need to set up the sign in method. And here, okay guys, so I will teach you in the next part of this series, because we will be covering the login using Firebase email and password. Alright, so now as you guys can see that the Firebase is successfully integrated, so I hope that you have understood. And okay, so if you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.